So you have quite a number of friends on Facebook, but you don't know how you can see a list of all the friends you have on Facebook. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you two methods you can use to find or see a list of all the friends that you have on Facebook. Now in the first method, just head over to this icon, and then you can see we have a symbol of two people. Go ahead and tap on it, and then we have friend list here. Under this we have suggestions and your friends. To find a list of all the friends that you have, go ahead and tap on your friends, and then you'll see a list of all the friends that you have on Facebook. If the list is too long, you can go ahead and scroll, and each time you scroll, you'll be able to see all their names and their details. And you can in fact get much details when you tap on any of the friends, and then you'll be able to see the friends. If the list is too long and you want to find specific friends, you can use the sort option, which is here. And then you can now search your friends either by newest friends, if you are looking for the newest friends that have just been added on the list, or the old friends that you have. And this will also help you to search or sort out your friends. Now that's the first method you can use to find the list of all the friends you have on Facebook. Now in the second method, go to your menu here by tapping on your photo, and then under this, tap on your name. And then you'll be able to see the total number of friends you have here. For instance, I have 4 friends, but we want to display the list of all these 4 friends that I have. To see the list, just tap on these friends, and then it will display all the friends that I have on my Facebook. I can manage this list by tapping on the recent to see friends that I recently added. And then I can also manage this list by tapping on manage, and you'll be able to have more options. So that's how you find a list of all the friends that you have on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.